Alright, welcome again guys. Today we'll be changing the engine oil on the BMW F30, the N20 engine. Now what we'll need is 5 quarts of oil, oil filter and the necessary O-rings. So what we'll need to do, we'll need to remove the oil filter housing to change the oil filter as well as the O-rings that are in there. Already have the car up on some ramps, so we just need to drain the engine oil from the engine, which requires us to remove the little flap that's on the engine cover, and there's a 10X head that we'll need to unscrew in order to drain the engine oil. So after pulling the drain plug, I'm going to pull the cap. This is to relieve any pressure that's left in the engine for the oil to drain properly. Then you go ahead and remove the oil filter housing. Drain the excess oil that will be caught in it. Following which, we'll change the filter and the O-rings. Now after the oil has finished draining, then you can move the pan out of the way and then install the new drain plug. And then you just tighten it down to spec, which is roughly about maybe 9 Newton meters, or just hand tight. There are some ridges on the drain plug itself, so you can turn until you feel the ridge is holding. Basically just hand tighten, and that's it for the drain plug. Secure the flap in place. There's about half turn until you see the higher part is covering the flap. Alright, so now it's time to throw in the 5 quarts of oil. First we need to replace the oil filter housing. Replace that, tighten it to spec, which is not very tight because the O-ring does the sealing. So just turn it until it's snug and fairly firm. And then you throw in the 5 quarts of oil, start the engine, run it for a little, and then you can check the oil level using the iDrive system.